Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to restart File Explorer in Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. Choose Task Manager from the list. We will show you a few options you can use in Task Manager. Task Manager will open. Go to Processes tab. Look for Windows Explorer Process. Right-click on it and choose Restart. Go to Details tab. Look for explorer.exe. Right-click on it and choose End Task from the list. Click on End Process in the pop-up window. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Choose Run New Task from the list. Type Explorer in the pop-up window. Click OK. Close Task Manager. You can also use Command Prompt. Go to Taskbar Search. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Copy the kill command from the description box below. Paste command in the command prompt. Press Enter to run. This will end Explorer process. Copy start command from the description box below. Paste command in the command prompt. Press Enter to run. This will start Explorer process.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!